In this video guide, we will show you how to deploy, remove, and store the Lippert Victory Step. First, release both of the step latches from the storage brackets. Align the step latches at the top of the step with the installed footman loops. Then, lower until both step latches click into place around the footman loops. Then you can lower the step to the ground. Unscrew the fastening knobs attaching the handrail to the steps. Next, align the short end of the handrail tube with the top bracket on the left side of the step and the long end of the handrail tube with the bottom bracket. Then slide both ends of the handrail tube through the brackets and align with the holes in the back tube. Then, screw the fastening knob through the holes in the handrail and into the back of the tube of the step. If step height adjustment is required, lift the step and remove the fastening pins that secure the foot to the step tube. Then align the tube to the desired holes, then reinsert the fastening pin. Repeat on opposite side if necessary. Remove the lock pin that extends through the bottom hole in the adjustment plate and both rails of the step. Repeat on opposite side. Then, grasp the back of any of the step treads and lift until the treads are level with the ground. Continue holding the steps level and insert a lock pin into the nearest adjustment hole. Then insert the lock pin on the opposite side. Remove the handrail by removing the top and bottom fastening knobs, then sliding the handrail tubes out of the brackets. Secure the handrail to the front of the step by aligning the holes in the handrail with the holes in the step and then secure with the fastening knobs. After that, remove the fastening pins from both of the adjustment plates. And collapse the step by pulling up on the back of the top step. Then insert the lock pin through the bottom hole in the adjustment plate and both rails. Repeat on the opposite side. Lift the step and remove the fastening pin that secures the foot to the step tube. Adjust the feet of the step to their shortest position, then reinsert the fastening pin. Repeat on the opposite side. Release both of the step latches from the footman loops by pushing forward on the levers. Then lift the step evenly away from the footman loops. And finally, attach the step latches to the clevis pins on the storage brackets, and making sure both of the step latches click into place around the clevis pin.